package from China. I bought this from online store. This is the first package. This is radio AM Hang Sing, and this one, it's a Chinese. I don't know the translation. Let us break the tape. Okay, we have the manual. It's Chinese, but here we have the schematic diagram. Okay, schematic diagram. At least we have a schematic diagram for the circuit 2026. And the components. Okay. And then this is the PCB. Okay. By the way, this is radio AM kit. Okay, this is the PCB. We have two here, 3 IC and many components inside. So hard. Very tight. You can use. We have the case. So this frequency, and then for the cover of the speaker. Then we have the speaker. Speaker is 8 ohms, 0.5 watt. So this is the speaker, 0.5 watts. And then we have the components. So we're going to assemble this radio for our upcoming project. So we have here, what's this? Dial. Okay, for the frequency selector. And then this is a variable capacitor for the radio. Then we have the coil antenna. We have 3. I think there is 3 lines. Then for the battery. Then aside from we have the magnet ferrite core. Okay, and then the components, capacitor, where's that? Transistor, and then the resistor, capacitor, also for the variable potentiometer. For the radio selector, volume, for the volume. So these are the electronics kit AM we're going to build for our upcoming project AM radio. And then we have this is cellular mobile kit. Okay, included is the pin header, also with antenna. Okay, this is an antenna for the cellular A SIMCOM from SIMCOM A7670C. This is 4G, also 5G, 4G, 5G cellular mobile 4G, 5G. So we have here the SIM card tray here, and then the micro USB. So we're going to use this for mobile cellular 4G, 5G project for our upcoming project. So these are the two that we have for our upcoming project. AM radio kit, and then the cellular 4G, 5G mobile.